Good day everybody, and welcome to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. If you can see, this knife is still glistening. The ants are killing me and it's supposed to be winter. Anyway, this knife is still glistening as it was freshly washed and degreased. We are going to do a knife modification without any disassembly. We are also going to be using the cheapest stuff I could find, which means this, which is 30 rand, 30 bucks. Now, I live in South Africa. Please, I got some feedback last time. Whenever I say bucks, please think that that means South African rand. If we have to compare that to USD, United States dollars, 5 United States dollars will be 100 South African rand, thus implying that 100 USD will be 2000 rand. That's pretty much the limit that I'm willing to pay for a production knife. I would rather, if we're gonna talk big money, start spending it on a custom knife. Anyway, we are going to dye these scales with the cheapest stuff I could find. Let's see if this works. You're gonna need a couple of things. First, any type of serviette you can find. This thing says paraffin, but any plastic container will do, and a knife with a suitably light handle. We're going to try to turn that into red. I've always wanted a red badger. Now, I am not reading instructions. We're going to freestyle this today. So we're going to pour, I don't know, about that much. That seems a lot. Okay, we're going to pour about that much in there. Like I said, I did not actually read the instructions because I suppose that's for fabric and we're not doing fabric. Second thing we're going to need, some boiling water. Okay, enough to cover the whole knife. So let's see. That's more than knife. Then, almost most important, we are going to need a bendy straw. Why a bendy straw? Because it intensifies the color. It makes it prettier if you use this. If you use a bendy straw, if you use a straight straw, it might come out looking very ordinary, but bendy straws, they add fun and intensity of color. Okay. Stir it. It looks quite pretty at this stage. Let's hope this works. Okay. I think I have no idea when this will be stirred up completely, but I think this should look fine for now. Let me give it another second. Okay. Okay, my straw is getting more bendy. I suppose that's because of the heat. This is why we have these things. Okay, lying it there. Now, I have no idea how long to put this thing in here for. We are going to submerge it. I am not doing any disassembly, as you can see. No disassembly whatsoever. Why? Because I am lazy. Okay. And now I suppose we wait. And we think. I can definitely see a change. It's not tan anymore. looking quite red. Might this be working? If this is working, then Bangladesh has just saved us a lot of money. Anyway, you also need a second container, something horrible you hate, that you can put the knife into once you want to go rinse it off. You don't want to mess up your wife's best cups and whatnot. This looks like quite a dark, rich red. Maybe just a second more, see if we can't get it a bit redder. I would not leave it to lie down like that for too long. Let me just get some more light over here. Oh, that is beautiful. A nice deep red color. I am pretty sure this is the prettiest badger you will ever see in your life. Who loves honey badgers? Everybody loves honey badgers. Okay, that looks super pretty. I'm gonna stop it right there. Look at that. Okay, so in the next video, I took off the pocket clip. That's the only thing I took off, just so there's no spots that would not be touched by the water. I'm going to take this somewhere where I can rinse it off. And I'm quite pleased with that. Easiest way ever to dye a honey badger. Okay. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. And thank you for watching. As soon as you can see my hand. Bye bye.